Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making this mirrored vase / mirrored storage box. So I hope you enjoy. So let's begin. We're going to need our wood pieces. I'll place down below in the description box the measurements I used for mine. And then we're going to need our Unibond, no more nails, our Stampedius silver crushed glass glitter, our Gorilla wood glue. This is optional, you can use nails as well. I did forget to show you guys paintbrush and paint. Then you're going to need your mirrors, and if you're using your nails you need a drill as well, but that part is totally optional. So you get your pieces and place one piece flat on the table, and then get your first side piece, and I literally mean side, okay, I don't literally mean your side piece, the side piece of wood. Get your side piece of wood, put some glue on the edge, the long side, and place it on the other long side of the one laying flat on the table, and you do that for the other side. So you have all the sides on the one laying flat on the table covered, and then you just place the one on top of that, so you've made like a box. Once you've done that, let that dry for, I would say, an hour, and after that place your bottom piece on the bottom of your box and let that set for an hour as well. And this is how it looks once it's dry. Easy. So if you do want to put the nails to make it more sturdy, you can. And I put it on the side I had flat on the table. I put it on both their sides where it was connected to the side panels. So I put that on, I put one on each of the sides, and then turned that around and did the same for the opposite side. Then turn it around to the bottom of your box and place a screw on the 4 edges. Simple. Next, you're going to get your paintbrush and your paint and paint inside. Just splash your paint in there and just paint it fully. Use a foam brush. Don't do what I done. Use a foam brush. It gives you much smoother lines. And I painted mine black because, you know, black's my favourite colour, but you can paint it any colour you want inside. And don't worry about getting it on the edges, because you're gonna cover that up. So now we're gonna get our mirrors. Mine's kind of annoying because I had to remove these fiddly little, screws from it, but yeah, they're from Poundland, so why am I complaining? They're £1. And no, that's not my knuckle, that's black paint. I don't want anyone thinking I've got like black knuckles. It's paint. So once you've finally got that removed, take your mirror out. Be careful because these do kind of have like sharp edges. I don't know why I'm grinning. Get your no more nails and then place it on your one of the sides. Put a lot. I mean, you know, just splash it on there, or squeeze it on there. This is the part that kind of takes time, because once you squeeze that on there, you're gonna have to place the mirror on top, and then once you've placed the mirror on top, you're gonna need to let it set for, I would say, 20 minutes each side. So go have a cup of tea in between, if that's your thing. Definitely is mine, because that's what I had to go and do. Honestly guys, I had 4 cups of, oh, that's a lie actually, I think I had probably 6 cups of teas while making this. Just place it there and follow the guidelines, because you do need your sides where you're going to place your gloss glitter, so you can have your little bit of sparkle. Yeah, I like sparkles as well. I think I have a thing for sparkles and mirrors. But anywho, that's what we're going to need to do. So go let that set. And yeah, your mirror will hide your nails if you do use nails. And if you didn't, that's just great. You don't need to hide anything anyway. So now you place your glue, your wood glue, on the sides. That green part, guys, that you see is masking tape. I actually used that to place the mirrors in place. Keep the mirrors in place. Place the mirrors in place. So take a bit of your glitter and just sprinkle that all over that. Like just do an edge at a time, so that your glue doesn't dry before you were able to do that. So just place that there. Do the other side, and you do that for all your edges. I do recommend doing like a thick layer of glue, so that it does cover the edge of your mirror. So in case that is sharp, you've got that covered. That's what I personally recommend. Once you've done each side, let it set for at least 20 minutes again, and then do the other sides, and then honestly let your whole project set for a good day, and then dust off all the excess glitter. And just in case you were wondering, I did use the green frog tape to just hold my mirrors in place while they were setting. So just in case you want to do that, or if you want to place something on top of it, that would be easier for you. But I done that so that it would. And voila, there we have it. If you guys liked this video, like, share and subscribe. And if you have any ideas of stuff you'd like me to do, send me a message on Instagram or in the comments box down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.